Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters. This is another verse from the Quranic reflection series, and it's from Surah Al-Baqara. أَتَأْمُرُونَ النَّاسَ بِالْبِرِّ وَتَنْسَوْنَ أَنفُسَكُمْ وَأَنْتُمْ تَتْلُونَ الْكِتَابِ. Do you command people to righteousness while forgetting yourselves, and you read the scripture? This verse addresses the illogic of commanding people to do good while doing bad. So the first point of reflection in this verse is, it is despicable to Allah and to humankind that one orders others to do good while privately doing evil. Like in the days when medical doctors would tell people not to smoke, and they would be smoking at the same time. Telling them smoking is not good for you, but they would be smoking. So this way of behavior is something despicable in the sight of God as well as in the sight of human beings. So it is a situation that we should avoid for ourselves. That we should not be commanding people to do what we are ourselves not willing to do. The second point of reflection is that we should try to do whatever good deeds that we invite others to do before inviting them to do it. That's the best way to go. We want to advise people, we see they're doing something wrong, etc., etc. So we first correct ourselves. In case we're doing the same wrong or a similar wrong, etc., we correct ourselves first. Because seeing them doing what was wrong and recognizing it as wrong, while when we were doing it, we became accustomed to it and we were not looking at it as wrong anymore, this has reminded us, it has awoken us to the fact that we are also engaged in what is not good. So before we go out to engage people to give these things up, we need to have given it up ourselves. And that is the way that this becomes reformative. It helps to reform ourselves. As we try to reform others, we also should be engaged in reforming ourselves. The third point of reflection is that this chastisement from Allah and rebuke is particularly great for the knowledgeable. وَأَنْتُمْ تَتْلُونَ الْكِتَابِ. It may be acceptable for the ignorant masses and the common people that they may do this, but they have an excuse of ignorance, which the knowledgeable don't have. So it becomes particularly despicable when done by those people of knowledge. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.